Well, the woodpeckers, it's a little after 7 a.m. here in Sunday morning, the 9th day of June, and this woodpecker's on its suet. They love the suet. Woodpeckers like it, chickadees like it, and the Carolina wrens like it. But you see this woodpecker here, I guess the same one, I ain't sure. Every day, whoop, he just flew away for some reason. Anyway, quiet morning. We have the squirrels eating peanuts, or grabbing them and going away with them. Oh, now there's 2 squirrels over by the horn. And here's another one by the peanuts. Where's it? Anyway, I guess he left.